What's up, people? I'm Landan with LMR.com. Today we're going to be working on this 1996 Eddie Bauer Bronco, and we're going to be showing you how to remove the headlight bezels. Let's get right into it. So the headlight bezels are pretty simple. They're the plastic trim pieces that surround the headlights, and they also house the side marker and the park lights. Since the side marker and park lights attach to the bezel, replacing these would be ideal at this time. If you want to know a little bit more about the process for replacing the lights in a 1992 to 1996 Bronco, check out the link in the description. So like any component on an older vehicle, the headlight bezels definitely show their age over time and they need to be replaced or reconditioned, and that's what we're going to be doing today on this 1996 Bronco. To get started, open the hood. We'll first want to create some working space on both the passenger and driver's sides. Disconnect the negative battery cable, followed by the positive cable. Loosen the 8mm battery hold-down bolt, and then remove this from the truck. Go ahead and remove the battery. Loosen and remove the two 8mm bolts at the bottom of the tray. Loosen and remove the single 8mm bolt at the top of the fender apron. Finally, loosen and remove the two 10mm bolts at the bottom of the fender apron, and then the battery tray can be removed from the truck. Now, unclip the spare tire rod from the clips and remove it from the truck. On the driver's side, loosen and remove the inward 11mm nut, securing the reservoir to the bracket. Loosen and remove the outward 11mm nut, followed by the bolt. If it's needed, position a magnet into place to help catch the nut since the working area is tight. Maneuver the reservoir out of the bracket and then bring it up a few inches. Have a vacuum cap ready that is similar in size to the washer hose. Remove the hose from the reservoir and quickly cap the fitting. Set the reservoir on top of the airbox and then wipe up any spilled washer fluid. Locate the two park light retaining nuts. These are difficult to see, but you can reach inside of the opening and feel the stud with your finger. Loosen and remove both retaining nuts with an 11mm deep socket and extension. Because of the tight working area, I would recommend that you hold a magnet next to the socket to catch the nut whenever it's removed. Now you can loosen and remove the two Phillips head screws on top of the bezel. Carefully bring the headlight bezel away from the truck. Rotate the three bulb connections counterclockwise to remove them from their respective light. Now the bezel assembly can be removed from the truck. Go ahead and repeat these same steps for the other side. With both headlight bezels out of the truck, set one of them face down on a microfiber towel on a workbench. Remove the three Phillips head screws. And then position the assembly upright. Loosen and remove the two 11mm screws, followed by the small metal bracket. Remove the side marker light, followed by the park light. Do the same for the other bezel assembly. Now with everything removed, you can take this time to clean up the area and freshen up your hardware. Now you can either transfer the existing lights to your new bezel and reverse the removal steps, or if you're installing brand new lights, check out our dedicated video in the description. Whenever all that stuff is sorted and the headlight bezels are reinstalled, go ahead and repeat these same steps for the other side. Go ahead and reinstall the battery tray, followed by the battery and the hold down. When reconnecting the battery cables, make sure you connect the positive first, then the negative. Reposition the reservoir and tighten the retaining hardware. After that, you're good to go. As always, we hope this video has helped you out. That's all we have for you today, so until we catch you in the next one, y'all know what to do. For all things OBS Bronco, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.